Props destructuring. Destructuring was introduced in EXEs. It is a JavaScript feature that allows you to extract multiple pieces of data from an array or an object, and then assign them to their own variables. One of the beauty of destructuring is that it improves code readability. So, in functional component, there are two ways to destructure probs, but we are going to go with the best option, which is to destructure probs right inside the parameter of a function. Let's give it a try. So right within the parameter of this function, we have to wipe it off and then take in a curly bracket. So let's go back to the app. Here we have the attribute name and the attribute country, right? So come back. We have to precisely target that attribute. Name, comma, country, comma, children. Having performed destructuring, we have to access all the attributes directly. We do not need the props anymore. So I'm going to highlight all the occurrences of props dot and then hold down the command key, tap the letter D on your keyboard. D for dog. Like this. And then wipe it off. Press the escape key to disable the multi-cursor editing. Let's check out the browser. Can you see? Everything is working as expected. I love it. So, to recap, if you want to destructure props, it has to be done right within the parameter of a function. And to do that, first, you have to take in a curly bracket. And right within the curly bracket, you can then precisely target the name of the attribute. So what you should know is this. So here, if you make a mistake, for example, let's do something nasty over here. Let's spell the country like this. When you do this, okay, let's save on the browser. You are going to get a weird result. Look, the name is displayed on the screen, but the countries disappeared. Okay, so when performing destructuring, there is a need to precisely target the name of the attribute. So I'm just going to undo. Save. Boom. Everything is working as expected. I love it. This is all for now. See you in the next lecture.